knows I'm a star of the crew. This is my cousin, she's always chill. But everybody knows it's a Winky too. This is my cousin, and always in the blanket. We get warm, we shot warm. Everybody knows I'm the worst enemy. I'm the worst enemy. I'm the worst enemy. Everybody don't think I have subscribed, but I only got 5. Please subscribe. I'm gonna do a lot of videos like this. Just hit the subscribe button like this. Hey. Swimming on. Yeah. Swimming on. Yeah. Swimming on. Yeah. Everybody knows. Yeah. I don't read books, but everybody wants that, so I'm not so preppy. Yeah. I'm like this stuff thing, 'cause I just wanna see the stars, the light. Stars fall off at night. Stars fall off the night. Hey. Everybody knows I'm the king of the life. Everybody knows it's a lucky five. Everybody knows that I'm the queen, but they don't subscribe to me. So shut up. I'm gonna read books to you, but please subscribe right now. Shut up, Scribbly, every preppy. Just get out, and I'm the worst enemy. Worst enemy. Yeah, worst enemy. Yeah, swimming, liking. I'm the worst enemy ever. You never gotta taught me how to share. I can do whatever I want to do. Up. I'm going out today shopping, but everybody knows I have paparazzi. They always like me. They think I'm a rock star, but I'm doing this because of the money now. Okay, let's go and shaking it off. Okay, let's and shaking it off. Okay, let's and shaking it off.
Mama is here.
Something that's people don't see. Something people don't see. Something people don't see. Cause on me, you're an angel lice. Angel lice. Spin it around. Everybody knows I'm the queen of the crowd. But please just give me on the mom. I said, where's my goggles? I'm all crying. Everybody knows I'm a Falola. I don't know how to talk. I don't know how to sing, but I always rap and do some things. I know how to sing. I'm just joking. I don't know how to piano. I don't know how to guitar. I don't know how to play instruments, but I know how to sing. I know how to sing. But I'm so hungry. I need to eat sushi, hot dog, the best meal ever. Put them in the trash can. Everybody knows that we're going to the slumber party. I'm going to prom, but now I'm going to be the nice things and I've been done. Oh yeah, I don't know how to dress, repeat things, so I come back and say hello. This is my newest style. This is my newest makeup. Arrives in California. Please just go and ever known to. Please now, wise now. Everybody knows that this is my new makeup. Soundtracks I'm going to prom. Everybody knows I'm shaking it off. Shaking it off. I'm back to come. Bring it back to the house. Everybody knows that. I'm shaking it off. Shaking it off. I'm shaking it off. I'm shaking it off. Shaking it off. Oh, love. Shaking it off. Shaking it off. Shaking it off. It's so much fun. Shaking it off. Shaking it up. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it off. Shaking it off. Shaking it off. Shake it. Shake it. I got it. Now, I'm finished the front. But I can't help. I need makeup to get myself. Everybody knows I'm preppy now. May pagkain. Now let's go open it. Now I do some makeup things. Everybody knows I'm preppy now. I'm just shiny, pretty, and average. You wanna see my face? Now and now. I'm a rock star now. I'm a pop star. I'm a famous and gangs. Everybody knows I'm a super nice. I'm so nice. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe. And thank you to Ate Leslie. Help me those sound effects. That helped me with the sound effects. Please subscribe to my channel and please follow her. Bye! Wow! Let's go! Sorry guys for our bloopers! Our next blooper! Shaking around, shaking around, shaking around, shaking around, shaking around. Ah, ah. The next blooper! Mag-posing tayo sa kanila. Let's go posing. Ako muna. So let's go, let's go. Ano yan? Aray ko! Aray! Bikit aray ko! Pako ela! Our next blooper. Sorry. Bakbak. Baktutan mo ako, baktutan mo ako. Wait lang, di pa ako ready. Yung buho ko kasi. Yan, go. 3, 2, paano? Aray ka! Yung leg ko. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video and thank you for watching our bloopers. See you next time. Bye.